My name is Arnold Archer. I'm the National Sales Manager for Weba SA.
Hi, I'm Alec Bond, Technical Advisor for Weba Chute.
Hi, my name is Obril Martin and I'm a Technical Advisor here at Weba Chutes.
Good day, my name is Frikkie Erasmus and I'm a Technical Advisor at Weba Chute, the Rustenburg area.
Most chutes do not fail immediately or suddenly. It happens over time. That's why chute inspections are so important.
We take a long-term approach to chute performance. Support doesn't end after installation, it continues throughout its life. Every chute includes a 12-month performance guarantee and scheduled inspection to support it.
These inspections allow us to identify wear early, before it becomes an issue. Because if small issues are ignored, they become costly failures.
Each inspection follows a structured process. We assess wear, structural integrity and material flow. From the lips, the dead box, the belt conditions, and everything is checked.
We pay close attention to high wear components. Lips and dead boxes are designed to absorb the impact. When gips reaches around 60% wear, we recommend preparations for replacement.
And when it reaches 30% remaining life, they should be replaced. If it wears through completely, the damage becomes far more severe.
We don't just inspect, we track performance and condition over time. Each chute gets a full history. The history includes wear patterns and any changes in material conditions that occur.
This allows us to plan ahead. Maintenance becomes predictable and not dread.
We also work closely with our clients. We provide guidance, training, and maintenance information so issues can be identified early on site.
This approach is proven. Many of our chutes have been in operation for 10, 20, some even 30 years.
After every inspection, we provide a detailed report.
Clear findings, practical recommendations, and the next steps.
The chute is only as reliable as the attention it receives. Regular inspections prevent failure, extend lifespan, and protect your operation. At Weba, we stay with your chute every step of the way.